Remember back in 1997 when the comet Hale-Bopp streaked across our skies? Well, that comet was discovered less than 2 years before it passed near us. And moving at 70,000 miles per hour, if this 25-mile-wide comet had changed direction and headed our way, well, we wouldn't be here talking about it right now. So now that I've scared you, comes the next question. Is there anything we can do to stop a comet? Well, to find that out, we're gonna need to make a comet.
And I've got everything I need to do that right here. So this is going to be a pretty good approximation. Water is the main ingredient of comets. I'll put in a spritz of ammonia, a very common ingredient in space. Corn syrup, which will be our organics. There are various organic compounds found in comets like amino acids, the building blocks of life. Some dirt, because there's lots of rocks in comets and it has carbon in it. So here comes the charcoal. Comets are cold, and so I need to chill this with dry ice. There is frozen carbon dioxide in comets, so this is not entirely unrealistic. So I'll just shake that up a little bit, and as the dry ice goes from being a solid into a gas, now let us see what we've made here. And we've got a comet.
So now that we've got our little scale model comet, how can we use it to figure out how to stop one of these things? Well, comets are made of ice, right? So if you're thinking heat, you're on the right track. Remember, comets change direction by venting gas. So could we use the heat from a laser to drill a hole in the comet, making it shoot out enough gas to change direction? Well, I just happen to have something here that might tell us if that'll work.
This is Laser Glow's Hercules laser beam. This is the most powerful handheld laser in the world. Check this out. Oh! Watch this. Whew! Oh, that's hot.
So we have our comet and we have our heat source. Now let's see if this theory holds water, or in this case, gas. If this works, the heat from our laser will cause our model comet to emit a small amount of carbon dioxide.
It's doing something. We are seeing a little bit of outgassing.
But could these little jets of gas create enough push to change the direction of our comet?
All right, let's go.
Well, let's pretend our model comet is the real thing and see if we'd be able to save Sydney from Comet Armageddon.